over to Washington, where Republicans in Congress will have more ammunition to challenge the Obama administration. There's more trouble ahead for Solyndra because the FBI is now investigating the company for accounting fraud. Megan Hughes has been following this probe since it first began, and she joins us from Washington with the latest developments. Megan?
Hi there, Scarlett. First, let's talk about what's new. We've known that the FBI is investigating, but now we know specifically what they're looking for. Number one, accounting fraud. Number two, the accuracy of the financial representations made by Solyndra to the federal government, specifically the Department of Energy. We know the FBI raided Solyndra's headquarters 2 days after the company filed for bankruptcy. Congressional investigations are also underway, with a lot of scrutiny here of the communication between the company, the White House, and the DOE. Republicans blame the Obama administration for rushing to approve this $535 million loan. Now, as for Solyndra, the company's spokesman didn't respond to these developments specifically, but in a statement last week, the company said, quote, the company is not aware of any wrongdoing by Solyndra officers, directors, or employees related to the Energy Department loan guarantees. One other new development that I want to talk to you about, Scarlett, we do know that the Energy Department was aware that Solyndra was having cash flow problems at least as early as last fall. A month before the company opened its $733 million California factory that we've been talking about, DOE sources confirmed to me that they agreed to restructure the company's loan when the company told them they weren't going to be able to pay the $5 million due as part of the loan agreement. Documents released this month show that at that time, the company was running out of cash. Now, all of that, again, was in December. The company filed for bankruptcy in September.
Adding
Scarlett.
fuel to the fire, Megan, didn't members of Congress say that Solyndra made false statements to them?
That's exactly right. Solyndra execs testified before Congress. You remember earlier this month they were pleading the Fifth, but they certainly got a lot of finger pointing about meetings that they had back in July with members of Congress. They say they were told by CEO Brian Harrison at that time that the company was doing well, sales were booming, they were expecting revenue growth, and then 6 weeks later they filed for bankruptcy. So a lot of anger there. These lawmakers do not like to be lied to.
No, drama continues on Capitol Hill. Thank you so much, Megan Hughes.